Hi there, Dory Sukup here, founder of InSPAration Management, here to share with you the question of the week. And this week's question is coming to us from Bill in New Mexico. He's asking, how can I improve my website's performance so I can lead more consumers to my business? That's $1 million question for you. And there are so many things that you can do to improve your website performance. Where do I start? I have to tell you, one of the most important things to do with your website is to make sure that you're continually adding content. See, Google is a monster and it needs to be fed all the time. And what Google likes is fresh content. So if you don't have a newsletter, if you don't blog, if you're not doing videos and putting them on the website and keep improving your website and keep adding content to it, then when people go search online, they're not going to be able to find you. So it makes such a difference to being found. So if I was to say the number one tip I can give you is to keep putting content on your site, new content. The other thing that's very important, of course, is doing the proper keywords to where when consumers are searching for your business or what you do, your site is actually coming up. So that would be the number 2 tip that I will give you. But here's the biggest mistake that I see people making with websites. In most cases, a website is nothing but an online brochure. And that's the last thing you want. You want your website to show differentiation between you and your competition. So if you don't have testimonials, if you don't have success stories, if you don't have video testimonials, that's even the best, then you're missing out on that opportunity to differentiate yourself. So you've got to do these things, and you need to make sure that it's all very value driven for your consumers so you can keep them engaged. And then the other big mistake I find is that there's not a good way for most sites to actually capture the visitor's information. And to me, your website should help you generate leads, it should help you be found, it should help you make money and keep the people returning by giving them great value and content. So if your website is not doing these things, then you definitely need a website assessment. So I want to invite you to go to InSPArationManagement.com, and if you go to the consulting tab, under there you will see take an assessment, and you'll be able to take a website assessment and see how good your website is working for you. Because the fact is, your website should be working 24/7. And if it's not helping you. So assess it or give us a call. We can do an in-person assessment for you either way. And if nothing else, you should get your hands on this great audio program that we have. By the way, we stopped doing CDs. Now it's all on memory sticks. So this is called Your Website is Working for You. So you'll be able to go online and pick up a copy of it. So in it, I will teach you exactly how to make your website work for you 24/7. So you can make money, generate lead, and give value to your consumers. So I hope this answered your question, at least gave you some information, and get started at least. So that's my advice to you, and hope that you will reach out to us and let us assess your website and help you out. Until next time, stay inspired.